wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best double-sided whiteboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. When you want a simple sign rather than a place to collaborate and explore ideas, try the Safco dry erase, which is just the right size for daily specials or other small missives. You can use it indoors or out, and the base can be weighted with sand or water for stability. The surface is magnetic and you get 22 by 14 inches of writing space. However, water may leak if used in the base. At number 9, the Quartet 101 EL folds down to the size of the board, so you can easily tuck it behind something when not in use, and it doubles as a flip chart holder with a spring-loaded clip at the top. But be aware that there are subtle grid lines on the white melamine coating. It's backed by a 10-year warranty and the height is adjustable. The surface is prone to ghosting though. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Ideal for personal use in a den or kitchen, the 24 by 18 inch xboard reversible is designed to hang on a wall with the included mounting screws. The pen tray can be placed on any of the frame's edges, so you can hang the board vertically or horizontally. It includes markers and an eraser, and there are no sharp corners on the frame. However, it must be unmounted to use the other side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for double-sided whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, take a different approach to notes at your desk with the Quartet glass panel, which gives you 23 by 17 inches of dry erase writing space on each side. Its sleek modern design fits with any office decor, and it's magnetic so you can use it in more ways than one. It erases clean every time and no assembly is required, but it will break if you drop it. Moving up our list to number 6. Ideal for home or small classroom use, the 36 by 24 inch Superior Essentials Easy Flip rolls wherever you need it to go on 4 wheels, 2 of which lock to hold it steady when in use. Its stand is made of iron and the frame and pen tray are aluminum. It offers a portrait orientation and ghost-free erasure. However, it wiggles a bit when locked in place. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Vivo Cart WB48A is a good-sized 48 by 32 inches and features a one-handed locking mechanism to keep it in place while in use. When you need the other side, simply push down on the latch to release and rotate the board. The 4 casters lock too, increasing stability. It comes with a silver-finished frame and a sturdy steel and aluminum build, but the instructions could be clearer. At number 4, if you're looking for individual whiteboards for personal use in the classroom, the markerboard MC0912 might be right for you. It comes as a pack of 30, markers and erasers included, all of which are guaranteed against damage or defects, and the markers are nice and bright. They're not easily damaged by bending and the surfaces won't stain or peel. However, the included markers don't last long. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The large rolling planner might be a good choice if you want the option of mounting your board on the wall or in the frame. Either way, it comes with easy-to-follow video instructions and some of what you'll need to get started, such as an eraser and magnetic dots. It provides ample writing space and all the assembly tools are included. The wheels are made of steel and silicone. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for double-sided whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the xboard mobile gives you about 4 feet by 3 feet of writing space on each side, and the surface is non-porous so it's easy to erase and stain resistant. You can easily move it around the room on its 4 casters, and it's stable once you have it in place. It features a high-quality aluminum frame, a magnetic surface to display visuals, and a durable construction. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the large Luxor 96 by 40 gives you so much room for writing and magnetic pinups that you might run out of ideas before running out of space. The board mounts in a frame that includes 4 casters for easy maneuverability, 2 of which lock for stability. It comes with locking side knobs and is easy to assemble, and no marker residue is left when it's erased. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for double-sided whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video.